What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the simple rudder animation like this. And if you'd like to create, let's say for your video asset, or maybe if you'd like to create this animation but if you haven't had the software yet, or if you haven't had the skill yet, don't worry guys, because you can create this animation instantly and 100% for free. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Meta AI, and if you would like to access it, then don't worry, you can do the login first with your email, or you can also do the login into your Facebook account first. And after that, this will be the section or the home page to put your prompt, or you can also transform the image into this animation. And you can also add something in general over here too. And if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of video animation by the another users like this. And how to create this animation, you can create it from scratch, whether that transfer or transform it from the picture or from the text or from the prompt guys. And for example, I will put the prompt into this section. For example, this will be the prompt we have, just a simple prompt by the way. Create the rudder animation, and the look will be in a green hand and usually used for the submarine or the airplane guys. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result over here. Basically, if you would like to create the animation by only using this prompt, you will usually have the 4 samples of the animation guys. However, if you would like to change the picture into the animation, so you will have 1 sample guys. And by using the same prompt, you can also have the possibility to have a different look. So make sure you can also do the refine or do the adjustment, or you can also rerun this prompt until you find the animation that you want guys. And for example, this is the weather animation we have over here, for example this one. And for this animation, it will have 5 seconds duration, and if you like it, then you can start to click download, and it's gonna be officially saved into your device. And you can also extend it. However, it will only usually extend it into 9 seconds guys, and it will show over here. So which one do you prefer? Do you prefer 5 seconds or 9 seconds? You can share us on the comment section. And usually it will take maybe 1 minute, and after that it will also officially ready to use, and you can also download it anyway. So this will be the 9 seconds of animation, and if you like it, then you can start to download it too. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and also don't forget to try this Meta AI to create your favorite animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.